Hey, what's going on everyone? The release of Samsung Galaxy F62 is knocking at the door and some more details on this phone have been surfaced online. So in this video we will let you know all the details we know so far about Samsung Galaxy F62 like its expected price, launch date and the expected specifications. We would recommend you to watch this video till the end for your better understanding. My name is Sovik and this is Phone Politics. Let's begin. Before we jump right into the video, if you still not subscribed to Phone Politics, please make sure you hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to get all the notifications about our upcoming uploads. As per a report, Samsung Galaxy F62 is expected to pack a 7000 mAh battery, a 64 megapixel primary rear camera and a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. The news comes a day after a tipster shared that the phone could be priced under 25,000 Indian rupees. It is also expected to come equipped with an SoC that has a Geekbench multi-core score of 2401 and outperforms Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G. The smartphone has reportedly made it to multiple certifications websites recently, including the Bureau of India Standards, also known as BIS, and Bluetooth SIG. My Smart Price, in collaboration with tipster Isan Agarwal, reported that Samsung Galaxy F62 may carry model number SME625F and pack a 7000 mAh battery. The smartphone may sports a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. Additionally, the handset is expected to come in blue and green color options. As per the report of My Smart Price, there could be a quad rear camera setup that comprises a 64 megapixel primary sensor. For selfies, Samsung Galaxy F62 will come with a 32 megapixel front camera. The smartphone is claimed to run on Android 11 based on One UI 3.1 out of the box. Without revealing the processor details, the report further mentioned that offering by Samsung will pack 6GB of RAM and 120GB of internal storage. Recently, tipster Mukul Sharma tweeted and also said that Samsung Galaxy F62 will come equipped with a processor that has a Geekbench multi-core score of 2401 and outperforms the Snapdragon 765G SoC. Mukul Sharma also claimed that it will be priced less than 25,000 Indian rupees. He also said that the phone will offer flagship level experience. Samsung Galaxy F62 has reportedly appeared on Bluetooth SIG site with model number SME625F/DS. The same model number is also mentioned by Isan Agarwal. The handset was also spotted on Samsung's India support page as well, and its alleged images were also leaked, showing a square-shaped module on the back. The phone had also made it to the BIS website with the same model number I mentioned earlier. The launch date is still not officially confirmed yet, but according to some sources, this phone could be launched in mid-February. So this is everything we got to know so far about Samsung Galaxy F62. We will be getting more information in the coming days, so stay tuned and subscribe to Phone Politics for more updates on upcoming smartphones. We upload videos in a regular basis. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Sayonara.